Concerned about your seller rating and want to climb higher? In this video, I'll reveal the key factors that influence your rating and how to improve them. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your seller rating is a composite score based on buyer reviews. Improving it requires a focus on the entire customer experience. The main factors are the star ratings in specific categories, service as described, communication, and buyer satisfaction. You need high marks in all three. To improve, ensure your gig description is 100% accurate. Don't overpromise. Then, exceed those promises with your delivery. Communicate quickly and clearly throughout the order. Most importantly, focus on delivering work that makes the buyer happy. Go the extra mile to ensure they are delighted with the final result. A crucial pro tip: after completing an order, you can send a brief follow-up message. I want to ensure you're 100% happy with the delivery. Is there anything at all you'd like me to adjust? This proactive approach can prevent a less than 5-star review and shows you care. And just like that, you're taking control of the factors that directly impact your rating. Improving your seller rating is a continuous process of refinement and excellence. Which area do you find most challenging? Communication, delivery, or description accuracy? Share your thoughts in the comments. To manage your reputation, subscribe for our next video on how to respond to Fiverr reviews. Thanks for watching.